So what a cross join does, this is where it gets interesting. This is the effectively doing the Cartesian product, meaning take everything from table 1 and match it up with everything from table 2 in every possible combo. And you notice there is no on clause or join predicate here on the cross join. It simply says take everything and match it up. So what we've done is it's taken each person and combined them with every single color. And then so it's taken Aaron and combined Aaron with every single color. Mary and combined Mary with every single favorite color. Fred, and so on. So it's a way to just say, here's all the possible combinations between these. And cross join is one of those that you don't use very often, but there's some really cool examples of test cases that I've done, like when we're trying to build out a table and you have a list of here's a bunch of first names, here's a bunch of middle names, and here's a bunch of last names. If I want to fill in a table with a whole lot of test data, I just do select from first name, select from cross join middle names, cross join last names, and it generates a really big list quickly out of all of those tables there. So a cross join is the Cartesian product, or basically matching every possible combo between the two tables. And the full outer join is like doing the inner join plus the left join plus the right join and including all the results there.